Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're running a small business, you know just how important it is to keep your marketing and your accounting working smoothly together. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to connect Mailchimp to QuickBooks. By the end of this video, you'll be able to sync your email marketing efforts with your financial records, making your workflow way more efficient and giving you better insights into how your campaigns are actually paying off. Let's jump right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open up Mailchimp in your web browser. If you're already logged in, great. If not, just pop in your username and password like you usually do. Once you're in, take a moment to look around your dashboard if you haven't been here in a while. Familiarizing yourself with the layout can make things a bit easier as we go along. Next, look over to the left-hand side. You'll see a navigation menu. You're on the lookout for an option that says Integrations. Go ahead and click that. The integrations section is basically where Mailchimp lets you connect to other apps and services you use for your business. Think of it kind of like building bridges between different islands of your workflow. When they're connected, information can easily flow back and forth. Now in the integrations page, you'll see a search box or a long list of available services. Type QuickBooks into the search bar and let Mailchimp find it for you. If you don't see it pop up right away, double-check your spelling. Sometimes the integration apps have slightly different names, but it should appear pretty quickly. Once QuickBooks appears in the results, click on it. You'll see an option or a button to connect. Go ahead and choose that. This is where Mailchimp and QuickBooks start their handshake, so to speak. Basically, you're giving the two platforms permission to talk to each other securely and in real time. Mailchimp will then prompt you to connect to QuickBooks directly. A new window or pop-up might appear, asking you to sign into your QuickBooks account. If you already have your credentials handy, just enter them here. Don't worry if you need to track down your password or confirm some security details. It's totally normal, and security is super important when linking financial data. If two-factor authentication is enabled, which I definitely recommend for sensitive accounts, just have your phone close by to approve the login. Once you're signed into QuickBooks, you might be asked to confirm that you want to give Mailchimp permission to access some of your accounting data. Pause here and take a look at what information you're sharing. It's usually just basic info, but it's good practice to know what's being connected. After you approve, that's it. The integration process takes just a few moments to finish up behind the scenes. You'll get a confirmation message letting you know the connection's live and ready to use. From this point forward, data like invoices or customer details can be shared between Mailchimp and QuickBooks, helping you to track which marketing efforts are driving real business, and that's where the magic really happens. And you're done. That's how quick and easy it is to connect Mailchimp to QuickBooks. You've just set yourself up for more streamlined workflows and better business insights. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another integration you'd like to learn about. And if you want more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.